Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 5-year-old who is turning 6 by year end, so she is more than 5.5 year old now actually. Here we are dealing with patterns, a complicated kind of patterns, introducing the weight concepts and money matters because she's dealing with her piggy bank money, goes for shopping with us, try to buy her own stuff. So now because she's showing interest in money things, so we are dealing with money concepts here again. So starting with the first activity is about patterns. So earlier we used to do like I'll write the pattern here and she has to follow the pattern complete. Now this is different. I have left the spaces in between and now she has to understand the pattern. So again I'm telling I don't think she'll be able to do it by herself. I need to help her out, but just using a advanced level of patterns because she's done with the basic ones. So like if there are two hearts, one triangle, so it has to be two hearts and one triangle. So it'll be triangle, heart, heart, triangle, heart, heart. Here again it's zigzag to zigzag, empty to zigzag, rectangle. So if she sees understand this thing, she'll see that after two zigzag you get a rectangle. So here she has to put a rectangle, and then here again it will be a zigzag. The same way here she has to understand if like S and A, what comes between S and A? It's a heart. So it will be a heart, and between A and S is a B. So that is what it's simple pattern, but just because the spaces are in between, I want to see which can she think of pattern in this way or not. Here we are doing addition subtraction, but not like normal addition subtraction. It's like what will make 9? 4 and 5 can also make 9, 3 and 6 can also make 9. So just introducing. So we did some similar kind of things, the addition kind of thing in the previous ones. So now just one example of how we will do it, because it's already been done. We will be practicing more on a subtraction part here. We have not done this before. So now I want her to give me two numbers. If they are subtracted gives 1. It can be 6 and 5, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, anything. But I just want to see what does she think and can you make it. And again doing the same thing here, that if there are two numbers, their difference is 4. I think these two she would be able to do, but this thing will be complicated because she has basically just thinking about the numbers in a different way rather than a conventional way. That is the intention, so that you get used to numbers in and out. So that's what we are practicing here. Now it's a weight concept, very simple one. So we have done again this practice with a we have a hanger with which we see that if the heavy side, which thing is heavy will bend down and the which thing is light will go up. So here B is heavier than A and A is heavier than C. So who is the heaviest? Again you have to think and visualize in your mind, and B is the heaviest and C is the lightest. But I still don't hope. Again, these all concepts I'm introducing to her. I'll be helping her in and out. I don't expect her to do these ones by herself. Now this one is money matters. So this I have made this activity that if I have a heart which is 10 cents and I have a goggle which is 20 cents. So what will be the cost of two goggles? So it'll be 20 plus 20 cents. And then if I buy one heart and one goggle, how much will be the price? And if I buy two hearts and two goggles, what will be the price? So again, maybe if she doesn't, I will give her the real money. We have sent whatever the piggy bank, and I'll ask her that if I mean, you can do it with manipulatives also. We have been doing some similar activity over the weekend when we were out, and we were doing some payment and all. We were playing this game, so that's why I thought in this activity I can use money really and see does she get the concept of addition with using money, real money as a manipulative. This one is number bonds. Again, because like the last DIY book you saw, we did addition using number bonds. We do like that only. So again, I want her to practice number bonds more because it's not coming easy to her. So again, 10, how will you make 3 and 7? 14, 9 and 5, and 20, 9 and 11. So that's what we are going to practice here. This one is the last one. Here we are doing, it's again patterns but little complicated one. We just made it in a circular way. So like 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 is a pattern, basically square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle. It will be square and circle and triangle. So in a way it's very basic pattern, but does she get it, or does circle confuse it? That's what is the game here. So these are the activities. You can copy them or you can make your own according to your child's requirement, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye bye.